Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrigita. Today is 15th of Jan and as you guys saw, I already made some party shapta for what? Because it's Makar Sankranti. Happy Makar Sankranti guys. For me, being a Bengali, Makar Sankranti means Pithe. On this day, my mother used to make like 5-6 different kinds of pithe. And if you guys wondering what pithe is like Bengali sweet dish. No, I lied. It could be savory, but I used to have only like sweet pithe because mom used to only make sweet pithas. So, but it could be two kinds, sweet or savory, both. And today I already made patsi shapta as you guys saw, and now I'm going to make some shora pithe. If you Bengali would know, for shora pithe would require like clay pot, but I don't have any. I'm going to make it like easiest way possible, and that is I'm going to make it on idli maker. I don't have the steamer, so I'm going to use a pressure cooker as a steamer. So yeah, that's what. And shora pitha is basically made with rice flour. It doesn't have any flavor or anything. So whenever like mom used to make shora pitha, she used to serve it with paesh. So I already made like its own process some paesh as well. And you could have it with jaggery also. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Actually, yesterday was Makar Sankranti, but I couldn't get enough time to make it. So today I got the time and I'm making it. After that, I finished making party shapta. It was Kian's nap time, so now he's down for his nap, and I'm taking a small tea break, and then I'll make the shora pithe and continue today's vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. That's the pie. Hello. So today is actually few days later. It's not the same day. Actually, today is 20th, and that day I haven't vlogged anything after making pithe, the clip you saw. So here I am again vlogging, and today I'm going to start vlogging with organizing. What I'm going to do is I need to organize these two drawers. which is obviously a mess. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to one drawer to keep Kian's food. Like I keep all his snacks, cereals here in the countertop. So I'm going to clear this place and keep it in the drawer, organize those, and yeah, that's my plan. Let's see what I can do. So as you guys saw, I haven't finished organizing that. I need to pause that thing because I woke up. This little man woke up from his nap, so obviously I'm not gonna able to organize right now. And when he's gonna take second nap of the day, then I'll do the rest of the organizing. So yeah. So I just finished organizing that two drawers. It's not like super organized, but it's manageable. And what I did is in this first drawer I kept all his food like cereals, the seeds, and these are the snacks, puffs, and these are also the tiffin cracker and back of this drawer I kept this two container which is currently empty. I'll figure it out later what I can keep there. And in this drawer I kept our tea, coffee, and our baking station, our sprays, like that. So yeah, that's how I did. Like, this is the marshmallow. Obviously this not for him. I didn't find place for this in that drawer, so I kept it here. And other than that, all these are his food, so it's dedicated to Kian's food drawer. So yeah, that's what I meant. So it's our lunchtime and I'm going to make fish wrap, the easiest lunch you could make. And yeah, that's what we're going to have. And maybe I'm going to end to this vlog after that. Let's see. So yeah, let's have the lunch. So now I need to, everything is ready, all the prep is done. Now I need to just wrap the fish wrap, and I'm just go through the ingredients. Obviously you need the tortilla wrap, and this sauce, guys, if you've never tried the sweet and spicy sriracha sauce from Chick-fil-A, try it and thank me later. I love this sauce so much, it's really yum. And I'm going to use some lettuce and this grilled bell pepper and onion, some mayonnaise, and there is the fish. So let's start wrapping. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you already know the drill. Like this video, comment down below, and if you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. That will be awesome. And I don't know when I'm going to get time and edit this video and then upload it. Maybe in a 3-4 days, hopefully. And yeah, that's that. I'm going to see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.